All right, you guys. So, what I'm going to do is show you how to type on the news log that is actually due every Friday. I'm getting a lot of messages that a lot of you don't know how to type in the news log. You may have missed it while I showed it in class. Maybe you forgot. Maybe your computer is glitching, but hopefully, this tutorial helps you get through the assignment. You might be wondering, how did Miss Coloma get all those words on the page? Well, I have it set up for you to be able to type in all of the sections. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to select an area. So let's say you want to change something that I wrote in the area or in the section. For all of the response areas, all you have to do is click and then double click. When you double click, you get the cursor. So that allows you to type. Same thing here. And you can actually delete, and then you can write your own thing. Same thing here. Click, double click, and then you can highlight stuff or just erase everything. And then write your own information. Okay, so that is click, double click, and you should see the cursor start blinking. Now, this map, if you missed class, we talked about choosing a shape in the section where it says shape, and that's how you can label where do the stories take place. So maybe this time I pick a sunshine, and I know they talked about China, so we can pick how to label a map. Okay, so let's go over here, and since today is Friday, we will click on Friday. Now, how do I create a text box if there's no text box there? So I want to put the title. I'm going to click on text box, the T box, and I'm going to create a box. And I'm going to, let's see, there was a story about distance learning. And then you can click, double click, and you can start putting some information. So one of the facts from that episode was that high school seniors are worried about having money for college. Let's say you want to write more. Highlight it, change the size. The size is pretty big. It doesn't have to be 18. You can use 14, you can use 12. Anything if you want, if you feel like writing a little bit more. Another story was that student athletes miss practicing with teammates and worried about playing next year. And that font's super big, so we could fix it. Double click. And you got to play with it a little bit, but it won't take forever. You guys are pretty tech savvy, so let's make it smaller so it could fit. I think 12 would be good. And there you go. All right. Now, if you don't like the way that's looking, then you could space it out that way. All right. In summary, students in high school are sad about the year, which has led some of them to cherish moments more and stay positive. Something like that. Okay? Last page, same thing. Click, double click. Now you can get rid of what I wrote there. But it says choose one story from the week and answer the question below. In what way can the story relate to your life or to your family's life? Now, I'm not a student. This story relates to me because as